So I just got this light grill here for my Kawasaki 300 Versys X. It comes with a mountain bracket on top here and on the bottom here, right here. It doesn't come with instruction as always from AliExpress. The picture on the AliExpress the same mount here, but that's not the case. You have to mount here on the side, and one of the hole here is kind of off. So plus I don't have a screw here. I lost a screw on that side anyway, so it doesn't match up. And the bracket here, right here, it goes nowhere. So lucky I have this crash bar, so I just zip tie this bracket right into here. So now it's solid. This grill here a little bit flimsy, you can see. Very thin metal. And this here, it was overlapped. This one overlapped here. So the way to adjust that to make it fit look like this, you gotta bend this a little bit. See this? You have to bend the both side and here to adjust this to make it flush. And here's again, that's the bracket. And the only way to mount that is to zip tie this here. I have no idea where this mount to if you don't have that. There was no instruction. And this grill can pop out. You can pop this out. Take this grill out by popping this out. So you can clean the headlight. But I don't need to, because I have plenty of gap here to get my rack in here to wipe down the headlamp. And that's about it. I mean, it looks pretty cool. This is my light bar I mount here. I have to take this down to mount this bracket here, the bottom bracket. But overall, it looks decent. Yes, sir. That's here from AliExpress. 26 bucks, I think. I like it.